Hi guys, I'm Prishita Pathak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a festive look, which is going to be really easy and quick. You can achieve this makeup look in 5 to 7 minutes. And as you know, festivals are going on and Navratri is going on. So if you want to go somewhere and you are running late, this makeup look will come handy. So if you are interested in a quick and easy makeup tutorial which has a festive vibe and is a glowy, then please keep watching. To prime my face, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty primer. So after applying the primer, I'm going to be directly applying a concealer because this is a quick and easy makeup tutorial. So if you want to skip the foundation, you can. I'm going to be using a small brush blending my concealer. Now after applying the concealer, I'm going to be applying the compact powder. Just dab it into your face to get a good finish. Now moving on to the eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying the eyeshadows from this palette. As you can see, it has a very natural shades in it. So let's take brown and golden color to apply into the eyelids. We will apply it very quickly as we are using only a transition shade and a little glitter. This shimmery shade in between, this golden one, and a dark color. Let's go with this brown shade. This brown shade in the transition and this golden color in the eyelids. Taking the brown shade with this fluffy brush, applying the brown color as my transition color. After applying the transition color, take this golden shade in between right here and then take it and apply it on your eyelids. Just apply these two colors in the eyes, quick and easy, right? This is my go-to all-time look, but it also has a little glimmer, so it is best for festive looks and it is so easy. Then I'm gonna use my mascara. You can also use an eyeliner if you like to, but I guess the mascara is really nice and it literally gives your eyes a pop and it opens up your eyes really nicely. If you want to put the eyeliner, you can, but I'm just gonna put the mascara. It's so quick and easy and it looks fantastic. You see the difference. Applying mascara on your lower lashes is so important. It just makes your eyes more white. Next, I'm gonna be applying an eyebrow pencil. Now after applying the eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna be applying my blush. Bringing it to the top. And on the nose, joining for a sun-kissed effect. Now I'm going to be using this highlighter for a festive glow. It is a really nice highlighter. It blends into your skin very well and it gives you a natural subtle glow. See, the glow is amazing. Apply the highlighter on the bridge of your nose and on the tip of your nose and on your cupid's bow and a little on chin. And now I'm going to apply this red lipstick. And lastly, I'm going to be using a setting spray. I'm going to open my hair and wear some earrings and show you the final look. So this is the completed makeup look. It gives the festive vibes and it is quick and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please do recreate this makeup look if you like it, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video.